Hi everyone, Phoebe Nubisi. In this new video, we are doing a new demo on Copilot Cowork, and in this video, we will use Copilot Cowork to pulling together all our relevant Microsoft 365 work contexts like our emails, our calendar meeting, our OneDrive and SharePoint files, and some sample emails that I'm about to show you guys to produce some connected deliverable. Yes, so the goal is for it to analyze our inbox and to make some suggestions to create some deliverable, like some briefing, some agenda for us, some questions, some follow-up draft. So let's get started right now. Let's go to Chrome and I will show you. This is the document library that I have for it. So on this document library, we have some files, like we have some prior meeting notes that we have here for the previous meetings. We have some meeting snapshot, meeting day, what was the demo and the summary, what was the key decision on prior meetings, what are the open actions item, what are the risks, and then we have some briefing as well, notes. We have the current situation, we have the executive context, we have the recommend meeting flow with the timing as well. We have the questions for the leadership to answer. And then we have some data analytic operations here. We have the dashboard. We have some KPIs with some values and why they matters. We have some production trackers here per day. We have some target units. We have some downtime hours. We have some status, some note. We have some non-conformance record tracker as well. We have some procurement tracker for purchase orders. We have some maintenance tracker for equipment. We have some risk log as well with the right impact, the medium impact, and the mitigation and the status. We have some action items as well. Yes, so we have all of those as context for this video. I can show you also some meetings that we have, like we have this meeting, for example, for manufacturing operation review, some supplier recovery plan review. We have many meetings for that, but in this video we will focus on this one, some manufacturing operation review as context. We also have some Outlook. I don't have Outlook open here, but I will go to Outlook on another window. So on this window, we have Outlook. We have some quality NCR review meetings. We have some, yes, we have some daily operation stand-up meetings with some agendas. And this is the meeting that interests us here for this one. We have the topic that is the production performance, the quality issues, the supplier delays, the maintenance downtime, some action items, and the goal is to review operational blockers, confirm priorities, and agree on follow-up actions. So that being said, let's go to Microsoft 365 Cowork and open a new session. To open a new session, you just click on the left of the menu. So we have a prompt that I will paste right now. So the prompt is: prepare me for a manufacturing operation review meeting and use the related emails, calendar, meeting details, and files in my manufacturing review demo folder. Create briefing document with meeting purpose, key topics, current production status, quality issues, procurement risks, maintenance risks, decision needed, question I should ask, and recommended next step. Remember, we have all of this here available here on this operation data tracker. So they exist already. Let me see if I can add the work context. I will click add cloud files, and I will go to my lists. I'm trying to see more places. The name of the document library is manufacturing operation. That's what I'm looking. I don't see it there, but let's see if it picks up, because I don't see it here. It's not showing here, at least for now. Let me search for I think the name is manufacturing. Yes. Okay. So I have this here, and then I will search again. Yeah, I have this there. So let's just pick that folder and select it. So I added it as a context. Oh, it's asking me to add files, not folders. So I will go. So it's asking me to add files, not folders. So I will go to attach cloud files. So the names, Contoso, operation source node. And the last one is prior meetings node. Okay, I will select that. So now it added it. For the emails, I will let it search, and I click enter. So it's still uploading these files, and it adds them as a reference. So it's reading the source files and finding the meeting and the related emails. It says, I'm considering how to extract text from the docs files. It's trying to extract the context, the content. It says, I have the complete calendar here, organized for QC operation, that's the channel, and all the data. So here is thinking, and it's so powerful. You can see how it already have access to the content itself. And is making sure that even if I didn't add the reference files here, it was able to have access to that since I have permissions to those files. And it says that it confirms that the demo folder has the 4 attached files. So even if I didn't add those reference files, it will be still able to access those. That's really powerful. So it can access everything that I have access and permissions to, if that makes sense, in the Microsoft 365 context. That's really, really powerful. That's amazing. So let's revise the prompt. So the goal is to make a document with the meeting purpose, the key topics, the current production status, the quality issues, the procurement risks, the maintenance risks, the decision needed, the questions to ask, the recommended step. Alright, so our document is ready, and we have some highlight here: the purpose, the monthly plan, review, the production, the quality, the procurement ones. Those are the details. Excuse me. And we can open it. It's amazing. We have everything detailed here. So let's put the follow-up prompt. I asked to create an agenda for the meeting. Use the meeting details, related emails, include all of this. Let's open also the briefing on the right. Have the meeting purpose, topic, current status, and it's put here that it's really confidential. So this is the agenda of the meeting that we have here, and put the owner and owner of each task, the discussion, the decision needed, expected outcome. Is amazing. The next prompt that we will put is, based on the manufacturing context, give me 10 questions to ask during the meetings. We group them by operation, quality, procurement. So it's asking that if I want to add it to the briefing document. We add it later. Now I ask to have a follow-up email review. The email should summarize the main decision, open risks, action items, owner, due date, next preparation meeting. That's a follow-up email after our meeting. Those are to give you ideas how you can implement it on your side as well. Since the meeting has not started yet, it says it has put some bracket instead of the real response. Make the draft downloadable, because I'm not able to click on it. And lastly, we have the last prompt: create an outline for 5-slide SharePoint deck. Use the structure: executive summary, production performance, quality trends, procurement, maintenance risks, decision needed for the next steps. Yeah, since I'm set to make that draft downloadable, it says it will save it as a self-contained HTML file you can download and share. It says it's in the output folder. I don't have, okay, I have access to it now. Guys, this is amazing. Now the last follow-up question is: create an outline 5-slide PowerPoint review, use the structure. So it's thinking. I can ask it to make actually the slide itself, but it's asking if I want to turn it to an actual PowerPoint deck. I would say yes. So it's now building the slide, the PowerPoint slide for us. It's so amazing. Just with one of these prompts for Cowork, you can include a briefing, an agenda, a deck outline for a PowerPoint, an email draft, a calendar prep time, all in one place. Guys, this is magical. I really love it. You can see the document here that it produced. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing, and it's using the raw data that I gave it. This is amazing. So what we will do, we will put our next demo prompt here on this session. Our next demo is a little bit similar from the third one. So what I will ask it is: create a weekly manufacturing operation update for the leadership. Use the files attached from SharePoint, include open NCR late purchase order quality issues. So this is to help the leadership. Give the executive summary, the top 5 weeks, action table with owner, due date, statute weeks, next step. Draft the email to the leadership. Short Teams post to the operation channel. and separate facts from recommendation. Flag anything that is missing or unclear. Do not send the email or post in Teams until I approve it. So this will be our last prompt for this session. So it will use with the files that I already shared because I haven't added anything. And it has added a progress here. It keeps adding the tags: compile leadership update content, create email draft for the leadership, and draft Teams operation post. I will ask it to send the draft to the leadership itself. I will put my email. Wow, it's calling the graph listing. It listed the channel as well, so it's calling the graph API. I will post to. I have not double checked the content of that email. Let me go to, this is the operation here. It's sent by Copilot Cowork. Yeah. It's also sent the email. Let me click on my Outlook. This is it here. Wow, I love it. Sent by Copilot Cowork. This is amazing. This is amazing, guys. Alright, so in this video, we have worked through 2 demos at the same time, and I hope you have acquired some great knowledge that you can test and try for yourself. See you on the next video to try our last demo on Copilot Cowork. Let's do this.